So the first step to create your Facebook page is really simple. The first thing that you need to do is this. Since your new account cannot create page, Facebook is not giving us any reason why. They are not giving us reasons why this is happening. You need to look for somebody to help you to create this page on their profile. Yes, mostly old accounts from like 2014, 2015, they can create page. So you need to look for somebody, maybe family, friends, or anybody to help you create this page. So after the person create the page for you on their profile, then this is the next step that we need to do. Now I'm going to be using my sister's account as an example. Let's just assume this is uh this is the person that gave me this thing, Facebook profile to create page. So I'm going to be using my sister's profile as example. So now I'm going to log in on an account. So first thing first, the first thing that we need to do is this. Now that you have found that person that wants to give you this thing, Facebook profile to create page, the first thing you need to do is to add the person as friend. So search for the person's what's it called, the person name, and add the person. That's the first step, so that it will be easier when you will still understand what I'm saying. So the first thing you need to do is to add the person as friend. So already we are friends already, as you can see right here, we are already friends. So this is my page, this is my profile that cannot create page, this is my profile that cannot create page. But now, as you can see right here, I have page on it. Let me show you guys. I have page on it. This is the same process that I used in getting this page. This is my AD native tech. This is the same process. I have full access to this page right now, but my profile cannot create page. So this is the easiest way to do it, and you can have as many pages as you want with this process. So now what you need to do is this. After adding the person that wants to help you to create this page, after adding the person as friend, the next step for you now is to go to that person's is to go to that person is to go to that person's uh profile. Now I'm going to switch to my sister's profile now, so that I can show you guys the process. So I already have an account here on my phone. So I'm just going to log in it and show you guys the process. So as you can see right here, this is my sister's profile. This is my sister's profile, and this is the page she helped me to create. I asked her to help me to create it because of this tutorial. I just give her a random name to help me create a page so that I can use it for this tutorial. But if you want to do it, you are going to use your name. You're going to use your name. You understand? So that's it. You're going to use your name. But this is the name that she used for me just for this tutorial. So let's just assume you already created. She already used this thing. She already used our profile to create the page for you. So the next thing now is to enter inside that page that she created for you. So after entering the page now, this is the page that I asked her to create for me. So you come over to page setup, then click on page access. Then this place that they write people with Facebook, this place that you write people with Facebook access, that's what you're gonna click. You're gonna click on it, click on add new. So click on next. So now what you need to do is you need to search for my name. You need to search for the account that cannot create page, which is my name. Search for it and click on it. Then as you can see right here, they are saying create. Just click on this, allow this person to have full control. Click on it and then give access. Then input your password. Then confirm. So as you can see right now, showing they are showing invite expires in the next 30 days. So I've just invited myself. So what I need to do now is come over to my profile and accept the invitation to show in this notification area. The reason why it's showing this is because I've done it before, but the video I did was the audio wasn't recording. That is why, as you can see right here, I'm redoing it again. So just click. If your own normally is supposed to show an option to accept this invitation, but since I have done it before, it's not going to show. So I'm just going to click on here. Just going to click on here, and now I'm seeing the invitation. As you can see, review your invite to manage this page. So I'm just going to click on review invite, then click on next, then accept. So this page now is automatically now my own, and I have full access to it. What we just did now, we just give ourselves full access to the page. Like we can do anything to it. We can now manage it fully. We can switch now as if, yeah, it's our page. It's now officially our page. As you can see right here, it's now my page. It's now my page. Now I now have two pages on my profile, and it's yours because you have full access to it. It's not like, it's more like you just created the page yourself. So now what we need to do is this: since we have already done that, we don't want that person that helped us to create this page, we don't want that person to have access to this page. So we need to remove the person. We need to remove the person from getting access to this page. So the next thing now is to come over to settings, then come back to this page setup, then come over to page access, then you are going to remove the person that helped you to create this page, so that only you will have access to this page, because this is something that you use to make money in the future. So you need to give it full access. You need to have full access to it, and removing the person that helped you to create it, so that the person too will not have access to it. So now come over here and click on remove from page. Input your password and confirm. Automatically now, you are the only person that has access to this page. Like, you are the only person that has access to this page. Like this, my sister, she has been removed. She's no longer, she no longer have access to this page. She has been removed. As you can see, the reason why the thing bounced back is because she has been removed. She no longer have access to this page. Let me show you guys. So as you can see right here, your full control of Scarlett Martinez was removed. If you check this page area now, sorry, if you check this page area, if you check this page area, you see that she no longer have page on her account, and I have full access to that page. She no longer has page on an account. It's just her profile alone. Look at it, it has been removed automatically. Now this is how you can create page. You can do this. You can have multiple pages on your profile without creating them yourself. So this is basically how to do it, guys. This is basically how to do it. So for those of you that maybe on the second process, on the second process that I'm going to be showing you guys, that one is you're going to buy. There's a website that you can buy a Facebook with page on it. So that one, it already comes with a page. So you need to change that page name. You need to, after doing all this whole process. Now, how are you going to change the page name? I'm going to be showing you guys on the next video. How you going to change this name, just in case maybe you bought the page already and you want to change it. So I'm going to be showing you guys on the next video. So yeah, guys, thanks for watching. I'll see you on the next.